Hello students, today in the signal system, in this session we discuss the classification of the signals. In the previous lecture we discussed the classification of the signals, in which we have classified the signals: continuous time signals, discrete time signals, digital signal, continuous in time, discrete amplitude signals. So basically we categorize the signals whether the given signal is continuous in time, whether the given signal is discrete in time and continuous amplitude. Third category, it is continuous in time, discrete amplitudes. And the last fourth category, that is the digital signal, where both the time and amplitude both are discrete. So why we classify these signals into this category? Basically for analyzing the signals, right, you should know whether my given signal is analog, that is continuous, or discrete. So based on that you can perform the analysis, right? And then we discuss about the even and odd signals. So every signals you can decompose into even and odd signals, so that we have discussed in the previous lecture. In this session we'll discuss about the one more classification. So that is the contents of the today's session. Will classify whether the given signal is periodic or non-periodic signals, right? We can also classify whether given signal is energy signal or power signals, and whether the given signal for analysis is a deterministic or random signal. So basically the classification of the signals help to determine the whether signal is in that category. And if we know the something about the signals, whether it is the periodic and non-periodic, whether it is energy and power, it will help to analyze the signal more easy, right? So we can for any signals you find out whether the given, how to find out the whether a given signal is energy or power signals, whether it is a deterministic and random, periodic and non-periodic signal. So that will discuss in today's session with example also. So I hope at the end of this lecture all of you are able to classify the whether given signal is periodic or non-periodic, energy and power signals, deterministic and random signals. Thank you.